when I visualize the new version of myself, it makes me smile. I am happy. Okay, it is really amazing experience, sir. When I thought about myself, about my capability, about my weakness and strength, I found myself. I discovered myself, and I
Hmm.
feel a huge difference inside me. And I am somehow able to get rid of my habit of procrastinating. Actually,
Wow.
I'm
Awesome.
doing this, sir. And I
Awesome.
and when I imagine, when I visualize the new version of myself, it makes me smile. I am happy, and also I am able to help my son also. Actually, therefore, thanks a lot, sir.
Wow.
Actually, my son actually before 2 years back, my son got frustrated. He was now class 10, and I took him. Clinical psychologist also. He got recovered, but he did not able to find a goal for himself. So
Hmm.
I helped him. And today, yes, the day before yesterday, he told me about his dreams. And actually, it is only for you, sir. He is now class 10 actually. And I think I'm now I'm becoming a good mother also, sir.
Wow.
It is also very important for me, sir.
Great,
So
man.
you
Great.
not only help me, help my son also, sir. Thank
Great,
you.
great. We can see the happiness on your face.